28th of February 2021. Here's a small citrus tree which has been here for a couple of years. It's not doing great. I'm going ahead and mulching it up. The other day I went and pruned it. It was up to my knee height. Here in these prunings, here is this mulch, I should rather say, I've got all kind of pruning that I've been doing. There is citrus, there is guava, there is grapevine, all sorts of things, moringa, mulberry. I've been mulching these trees here, trimming these trees here, like this guava here, then a couple of citrus trees, and these are the ones which kind of didn't go quite well with the local people, because I've pruned them quite heavily. So these two here, this one kind of looks okay, so it didn't need doing much. This branch here should got taken off, and I'll do that today or tomorrow. So I'll get that go ahead and do that. So these are the two trees which I trimmed. Then there is a plum tree back there. I did another guava back there. Anyway, going back to the point, these rose bushes, they got pruned as well. So I've got all kind of stuff in there. I left what was underneath. I didn't clean the grass and anything which was growing underneath. Threw a fair bit of mulch, wood pieces, wood trimmings that I had. I do not possess a shredder or a wood chipper, so all these branches are the way they are. So they don't look quite tidy. Had they been through a wood chipper, they would have been quite nice and small, kind of, which would have been in a level. Here it's up, it's quite high at certain places, and it's not gonna sit level. In a way that's good, because there's going to be airflow through it, and probably it's going to break down quicker. So I'm going to go ahead, put the cardboard boxes on. Here's a coup, and then throw some of my own homemade compost on top. So that would look like this once it's finished.